obtaining high-quality vegetables and fruits, increasing yields in order to supply the domestic market and further develop the export potential are among the main tasks facing the country's agriculture today. An important event from this point of view was the opening after a major renovation of the Scientific Research Institute of Vegetable Growing and the complex for the production of seeds of potatoes and vegetables. In the laboratories of the institute, the most modern instruments and equipment are installed to carry out soil analysis and to organize the virus-free potato seed production at the present level.
Bu da bizim iklim otağıdır, bayağı siz qeyd etdiyiniz kimi 16 saat aydınlatma, 8 saat qaranlıq rejimində işləyir.
This is our greenhouse. It's illuminated for 16 hours, and the remaining 8 hours it works in the mode of darkness. At this stage we isolate the meristem, the educational tissue from seedlings of potato tubers, and place in a nutrient medium. After 15 to 20 days we change the feeding. When sprouts reach such a height, it's about 5 to 6 centimeters, we cut them, thus increasing their number. Depending on our goals, it can increase to 20, 30 to 100,000. After that, we transfer the sprouts to the adaptation room.
100.000 də ola bilər. Yəni bu hədəfə çatdıqdan sonra isə buradan adaptasiya otağına köçürülür.
Before heading to the adaptation room in specialized laboratories, sprouts are checked for viruses.
Hal-hazırda biz laboratoriyanın adaptasiya otağındayıq buranın.
We are now in the adaptation room. Temperature, humidity and lighting levels here suggest greenhouse conditions. Before entering this room, the sprouts are washed with distilled water and placed in such dishes. Here the shoots are under regular observation. If within 10 to 15 days there were no problems, sprouts are transferred to greenhouses.
15 günün yekununda sonunda artıq bitkilər istixanaya köçürülür.
The complex for the production of potato seeds and vegetables is the first seed growing center in Azerbaijan. Greenhouses and laboratories equipped with the most modern equipment were built on the territory of 30 hectares. Here work is carried out on the breeding of hybrids, as well as new varieties of vegetables and potatoes. The main crop that is grown in greenhouses is potatoes.
Burada birinci ilə 120.000 ədəd.
In the first year, we plan to produce 120,000 mini tubers of potatoes. In the second year, we will increase it up to 300,000. Potatoes grown from such mini tubers meet high-quality standards. At the end, we get a healthy crop without viruses. In addition, according to the sowing standards, we will need only 400 to 500 kilograms of mini tubers, where the number of ordinary potatoes in accordance with the sowing norms is 3 to 3.5 tons.
Toxumlarına fərqli olaraq 400-500 kilogram olmasıdır.
The selection of such crops as cabbage, bell pepper, eggplant, tomatoes, beets and many others are also carried out in the greenhouses.
Deməli, kompleksə daxil olan bu iştilxana bölməsində
Here we grow all kinds of vegetables that can be propagated by sprouts. First, sprouts are placed in greenhouses, and after a certain period of time they are planted in fields under the open air. Produced products are used for breeding seeds. Besides, sprouts can also be sent to farms. We accept different orders. Our advantage is that seeds and sprouts are produced here using the most modern technologies. As a result, we get healthy products.
Və daha məhsuldar olması üçün əsas şərtlərdən biridir.
The complex also houses a barn for storing seeds, a point for processing them, a cleaning shop and a sales center. The complex receives new orders. The creation of such specialized enterprises for the production and storage of seeds of various plant varieties contributes to the reduction of dependence on imports, increasing the country's export potential and ensuring a high level of food security.